Hi there. So if you're looking to learn how to use InShot to edit your videos, be it for Instagram Reels or for TikTok or for any other social media platform or even your YouTube video, you sit back and relax, and I'm going to teach you the easiest way for you to use your InShot app to edit your videos. Let's go. So this is the Inshot app already. I've already opened it. I'll show you guys the icon for you guys to download it. So I'm just selecting the videos I want to edit. Basically, you can just add them to your favorite album so it will be easier for you to find. So now it's imported into the Inshot app already. So we're going to start by cutting through the video. I don't use cuts because I can just simply glide through this both side icon that you see, that I'm just gliding through to go to exactly where I want the video to start from and end, because I record my videos by myself, so I have to do this all the time. So then you can also split to cut off unnecessary parts in the video. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. So next, I'm going to go into sticker. In sticker you can get text also. So now sticker, you have to own your data for you to be able to download better stickers than these basic ones. But then I can also find this in the place where the stickers I've already used before. You can see the subscribe, record and location stickers there already, and others that I've used. Under gives, you also see others there. So now we're going to add text. Adding text, you just type in the word you want to be seen, you want it to be seen on the video. So now I'm just putting the description of the video, which is 30 minutes makeup tutorial. Then you can also go back and forth with this, and you can clear and type anything exactly you want to have on the video basically. So I'm just going to position it where I want it to be on the video, which is at the top of the video, and I'm going to reduce it a little bit. Then we're going to go into the text colors. You can always change your text colors to any other color you want. You can change the border. You can see as I touch the different colors, you can see the different colors on the text I already have. You can also change the shadow, but I don't do all this. But if you like, it's also pretty nice if you want all that on your text. But I just like my text simple. So you go into the fonts. There are various types of fonts there. You can also buy some, but I don't buy anything on this app. Everything I use is free. You can increase the size, you can increase the space and every other thing you want to do to the text. So now I'm going to drag the text to where I want it to begin and where I want it to stop in the video, just exactly how I glided the previous one when I was trying to reduce the video to where I wanted it to start and end basically. So now that we're seeing how it's going to look, then you go back and split the unnecessary part, because I don't want it to enter the next video basically. So after that, next is our transition. The transition, you can increase or reduce the time. There are various types of transitions there that are free, but like if you want to pay, you can also pay for others that are not free basically. So next, under filter, you have filter and adjust. So I use adjust to increase or reduce the light. You can go into warmth to add color. You can taint, any other thing you want to do, just do what you like basically. You can go back and forth with it to see how it's going to look for you, or you can undo it. Then this also, I'll just show you how the different features are under the adjust, but I do not use it. I just use saturation, warmth, light, and that's all I use when I come to adjust, because the others may adjust a little bit too much for me and I don't really like them. So we're just going to apply to all. That's applied to from the beginning to the end of the video, so that everything will be the same. So now you can trim, cut, split, but I do not use this. I just use the one that I can drag the video back and forth to where I want it to start and where I want it to end, or I split from the next option, which is splits option, and I delete any unnecessary parts. That's what I normally use. Picture in picture is when you can add another picture layer over the video, or you can add another video layer over the video that we're already making. So I'm already importing the video I want to put over it. So now this is the video. It plays over the other video that's there already. So now you can go back and forth. You can drag it around to wherever you want to place it. This is also good for if you want to clone yourself in your video. You can also use this method. It's very nice. Then you can always adjust it So then there's also transition for this picture in picture. This app is really good. Like, you can do all this, the same things you do on the main video, you can do it on this picture in picture. The filter, the adjustment, everything, you can also do it on your picture in picture. Then you can also mask. I don't use this on this app. I use it on KineMaster instead, so you can see it better. I'll also bring up a tutorial on that. Then you can do that all over, and yep, this is how it looks. But I do not need this in this video. I'm just showing you what it has. So you can increase the volume for the picture in picture. You can do everything you normally do on the main video, but I don't want this, so I am just going to, okay, you can copy, you can replace, you can crop, but I'm going to delete it because I don't need it in this video basically. So I'm just going to continue. Next option is the splits. We've already seen the splits. So now volume, increase the volume to about 200 so that you can be the sound clearer. This, you can hear your sound clearly and apply to all. Next, speed, you can really reduce it, that make it slower, sorry, which is the going to the left side, but going to the right side increases the speed basically. And you can make it be the exact original pitch the audio was in, or you can remove it. It doesn't matter, depends on whatever you want. So now I'm going to reduce the volume because I do not want the volume in any of this video. Then next, we're going into, you can use duplicate. That's to like make the, like, copy the video basically, the previous video you're on, but I'm going to delete that because we don't need it. So going into crop, I have different crop ratio. We have the Instagram, we have YouTube, we have TikTok, and various video ratios, but I'm going to use the TikTok on because this video I want to post it as a reel on my Instagram, and they have the same size basically. So I'm just going to click on tick that. I'm just showing the different ones and apply to all. So now the next thing is going to be your, sorry for the stop, for the pause basically. If you're still watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment if this video is doing so well for you. Thank you. So let's continue our video. Now you can also rotate it to any way you want. You can flip it left, right, anyhow you like it, or you can freeze any part of the video and make it seem like a picture in your video. So I'm just showing you how it seems. Then now we can also reverse, and this is how it seems in the video. That's like going back, making the video reverse, if you guys understand what I'm saying. To reverse, it takes a while, so it's going to pop up the processing of the reverse right now. Okay, now I'm showing that is reversing, so you just have to be patient for it to work on it. Then yeah, this is how it's going to look. It's going in reverse, like going back to, just showing you again so you can understand what I mean. So yep. Next, then you just save, put it in 4K because 4K is like the high resolution for the video. Video will be very clear on 60 fps. Then the movie is going to be a large size though because you put it in the highest. Then you leave your video to save. Do not lock the app or do not lock your screen for it to save. I'm going to show you guys how to add music because I noticed I didn't do that in this video. So now adding music, you just go to featured. Under, you can see the different music that Inshot have, but I always use extract audio because I just rather screen record the music I want and just add to it. And this is what we're looking at. The right spot, bad man slick, and you know, bad man looking good in the air. That's what you get from it. So now that I've come to the end of this video, I hope you guys have been able to learn how to edit your videos properly, professionally on Inshot. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.